All right. Thanks for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. If you know what you're watching, click subscribe on the actual channel. I do the best I can in doing these little videos. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I bring stuff up. And about to do something off-white related. I see that these videos have been pretty popular as far as watching, and I appreciate every single person that watches these videos. And please like the videos. I do my best in describing the stuff that I have. So this is another video. This was an oversized shirt that I purchased from a company called Revolve. They're out in the West Coast in California. It's a very good company. And this was an oversized shirt. I like the oversized look. I do have big shoulders. So again, this actually works. And these are, just in case anybody wonders, these are legit. As you have over here, just to show, again, just to kind of give it, it's a little tough with the reflection. It says Off-White care of Virgil Abloh defined the gray area between black and white as the color of off-white. You have the off-white stripes over here. Has the name over here. It doesn't have a name. It says product bag 2013C. Have the off-white. Here it is over here. I'm about to show everything in a moment. I'm about to pull it out. I had to clean the table up a little bit because it was a little dusty. I plan on putting this back in the bag. I haven't worn this shirt since I bought it, which was over a year ago. Okay, we have the tags over here. Multiple tags. You have this tag over here. Try to bring it up. And this is the Mariana de Silva short sleeve over black multicolor off-white. Over here, the tag shows prints and customizations, just pretty much discusses that. More information over here. Has the garment care. Many times we buy these things and we don't even consider this because this is how we make our shirts last long. So I'm gonna just read this part because this is always important, just in case if anybody's careless with this stuff. And I know many times we buy stuff for younger folks and they look into it and they just don't care. So in the instructions, it says indicated on the garment label carefully. In particular, wash it in water. Do not rub it or leave it to soak. Do not fold the wet garment and do not dry the garment in direct sunlight or near sources of heat. It says we recommend washing the garment separately for the first few washes in order to avoid risk related to color loss. Damage caused to the following incorrect use of our instructions exempt from all responsibility. Basically saying, you know, if you try to wash, you try to clean, and try to return it, and we can know it, you're not going to get anything back. And you have the rubber tag, which is a nice rubber tag. It has a texture of the lines over here, which is the white lines of off-white. So, as we continue, I tried this on over a year ago. Yeah, it was actually over a year ago when I bought this. So, this is a shirt. I'm going to open it up. This is the front. Interesting, it does say 2020 on it, and I believe I received this in late 2019. So we have it over here. I like the look of the front because it has like this soccer jersey look to it, where it has the, I'm gonna try my best to pronounce it, Incompuito. Well, Incompuito, maybe that. You have the off-white over here, then you have off-white again, you have off over here, and it over here. Sorry about the movement. It shows off-white 12, fall, winter as 2020. Now, the important stuff. I know a lot of people really don't care and do the, you know, legit checks and so on and so forth. This is a legit shirt. Over here, you have, if you can look at it, you see the texture on it. This is rubber. You have the off-white in black, and you have the arrows pointing up. The other part, you have the off-white tag, extra large size. It says, you know, whatever it is, has 100% cotton. Very important. Gives you instructions again over here. Many times we cut these tags out. No, leave them. Where is it made? It's made in Portugal. This is where it's made. Try to get a clear shot. Hopefully it clears up. It is made in Sorry about the movement. It's made in Portugal. It has it right there, care of Virgil Abloh, so on and so forth. All right, so now that we got the way, we have the neck area of the tag. Again, 2013, which I believe is the origination of the brand, main label. And it has the off-white, defining again the gray area between black and white as the color of off-white. Have the string over here, which again pretty much is these tags. Cool stuff. I'll leave it as is. Now this is actually a part of the shirt, so again, I'm sure that you can just take the other part off. As far as, let's leave that. Let's go to the back. So we have try to get as flat as possible to have it view. All right. I saw the shirt and I said, you know what? That's a pretty cool shirt. Nobody really much has it. So when I see things like that, it draws me in. And I liked it. Again, don't forget there's this cord running in the inner part. So now, this is the incomplete. Basically, that's what it is. Over here, basically, it's saying it's incomplete. I'm sure there's some type of, as we can see, an animal. You can't see the animal because it's not the complete version of this. You have the missing full face on here. And pretty much the way I translate this is person doing the measurements, getting the sketches, trying to figure out exactly what to do next. Now, I don't know if that's what it means. Again, you have to try to think about what you see here. And usually a painting, any type of art, can determine many things. You have the hand up over here. You have a key over there. What exactly is the key? Maybe he needs the key to figure out exactly what to do to fill in the rest of it. Maybe this guy is the artist. As you can see, he has a pencil. Maybe he's just a carpenter. There's a lot of things with this. And again, you have all these symbols and signs, and this is what attracted me to the shirt. Of course, this is printed on, and again, it's a nice texture of the print. There's not much else more, but what I really enjoyed and caught the attraction of this shirt was this specific piece right here. This is the piece that, to me, it was something you don't see. You don't see many places. And again, I love the stuff that Virgil does, along with Nike, along with his brand Off-White. And usually things like this, a lot of art-inspired content that he puts on. His fabrics, his shirts, his jackets, you name it. And this is what really pretty much gives it away as far as why I enjoy it so much. Again, to me, I was like, I saw it. Can't remember what store it was. It was in I'm in New York, so it was in Manhasset, and there's an Off-White store there, along with Kith. Can't remember how to pronounce it. Starts with an H, and I don't want to mispronounce it either. But it's in the Americana, which is a nice mall with high-end stores. You have Louis Vuitton, you have O's, and you have this store that carries Off-White. They have a whole section for Off-White. They have a whole section for Kith, and they have a whole section for other things. They even have chroma hearts. They have a whole bunch of stuff. So you have this, and again, I just liked it. I saw it and I said, wow. Now again, the shirt that I saw at that store was a slim version. I like it when it's oversized, and I love it when they make these oversized shirts. It goes along with what I like in my comfort, so I was very happy they made it in this. Lo and behold, Revolve carries it, and of course, they mentioned it's an oversized t-shirt. Revolve is, of course, they're an authorized retailer who can carry their stuff. And that's pretty much it. And aside from that, just again, those are the things that caught me onto this shirt. This is the biggest detail of the shirt. Again, is this part. You know, someone looks at a shirt, it's a conversation starter. A lot of things that he does creates conversation, from his sneakers to the stuff. You can just sit down and maybe have a cup of coffee and just discuss this whole thing and try and figure it out. There's so many elements to this. Even over here, if you look at his pants, if you notice, it's the arrows. That's how I look at it. That's the way I'm describing it. And if you see the mix, it's the X's. You have the arrows. Maybe I'm seeing it off the light. Maybe I'm seeing different things, but that's what I see. And you have the arrows, of course, and you have actually the pattern, which this pattern here is the pattern that you see. Well, I thought I saw it. Maybe I saw it somewhere else. I can't remember where I saw it, but it's a pattern I've seen that he uses for his stuff on items he puts on. So again, love this shirt. Wanted to do a quick showing of it. I've never worn it, as you can see. We are in 2021, just in case if anybody's wondering. This is not an old video. This is something I just put up, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please click like, subscribe to the channel. I cater to many things. I try and mix it up a little bit, and if anything, always click like. Definitely subscribe. It means a lot, and I'm gonna keep on trying to do more content, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Everything I do is legit. It's all authentic, and thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And again, last time, this is the Off-White Virgil Abloh Fall Winter 2019-20. And again, I don't want to destroy the weight, but basically it's incomplete. That's basically the whole term, agenda, everything that has to do with this. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys have questions, if anything, and just use your imagination of what you believe the shirt is. And this is why I love the shirt a lot. It adds a lot more questions to it. Some might think, hey, this is erased. Something wrong with the shirt? No, that's the way it came. Oh, what's over there? Is it a dog? I really don't know. It looks like a dog, but I can't tell what type of dog. We can usually imagine it could be a Shih Tzu, it could be different things. But again, that's what I love about this shirt. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Click, subscribe, and any questions, you know what to do. Make comments, ask questions. I'm on Twitter, EricG2477. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.